Hi everyone. Boy, my lighting's not good. I'm sorry I'm on video C. I didn't set my timer and I'm limited to 15 minutes. Automatically shuts me off. So I'll keep this one shorter. We were just talking about the last approach, which is the natural approach, which really is the direction that ELL teaching has gone, with the exception here on, you'll see it's on chapter 31, page 31, the graph or the chart, that the natural approach says that we avoid the use of L1. And we now know that the whole school of teaching on ESL in the last 20 years, all research indicates that it's okay to include the L1 in language teaching. In the olden days, we used to say English only, English only, English only. Don't use that second language. And now we understand it's okay to use the second language in class. There are times certainly when you want to do English only, but it's not something now that we say, shh, stop talking in your L1. So that's a modification we would make here in using the natural approach. Let's see, other aspects of this chapter 1 is that we know that the useful strategies on page 37 here, they talk about that we want, that there are opportunities for explicit teaching when you're using grammar, that we want to use scaffolding is great, whole body in learning, that's like TPR, that's good. Rhymes and rhythm, ALM, classroom spaces with dual language learners, that's using the L1. Manipulative, so basically they're taking some parts from all of those approaches and we want to use all of them when we teach our ELLs, and that's what that little section is talking about. Let's see. Okay, I think that's about it. Just make sure you read a little bit about, it's all here, ELD, Principles for Effective Teaching. Okay, so that's all. That's how the chapter finishes up. So make sure that you've read it and understood it. Also, I will, in my outbox, probably at the end of this week or early next week, I'm going to give you each a blue folder. And as I print the work that you hand in, I'll put some responses on it and I'll put it in that blue folder so you can take it home, and it'll always be in my outbox. I probably won't get to it this week, but remind me and I will do that. Chapter 2 you'll read this week, which is Teaching Should Be Learner-Centered. The end questions, because none of you is teaching right now in the ELL class, I've skipped number 3 and 4. So, sorry, so you will not identify an emergent bilingual. Sorry, so only answer number 1, 4, and 5. Yes, so you can answer number 1, answer number 4, and answer number 5. You cannot do 2 and 3. I may have put 2 and 3 on the posting. I can't see it now. So on page 68 for your homework, upload answers, the questions number 1, 4, and 5. All right, that's it. I'll get this posted up. It was good to see everyone, and good luck. Stay warm. It's going to be cold this week. Bye.